Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the MGL Logs. I know it's been a while, but there's been a whole lot of changes and a lot of stuff going on. It's currently Wednesday, November 8th at 1:28 in the morning. I keep really weird hours, trying to learn animation and some other stuff, but I just want to let you guys know what's going to be happening. We're looking into launching a Patreon where we'll host uncensored videos, longer form version videos, director's cuts of videos, and some other pretty cool perks and stuff like that. We're still working out all the details. It's like literally in its infant phase. And on this channel, Bats from the Grave, I'm going to be telling a few different sets of stories, including the continuation and return of Dread and Terror. So, scary stories and terrible tales. I'm also going to be doing a series called Bats Completely Fabricated Tales of Absolute Truth, but it's going to look like this. Those stories are going to be completely made up and a lot of fun. And then I have another story series coming, and I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. I thought I'd tell some stories from my life, I guess. Like, there's 2 times in my life I've almost been, like, shot, and I've never been into gangs or anything like that. So, stick around for those. One of those times, it was almost by a police officer. Again, I was just in the wrong place at the wrong time, and I almost got a broken bone, and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. It's going to be crazy. There's going to be good stories, like fun, happy, uplifting, goofy ones. Then there's going to be some that are kind of not safe for work and a little more dark. And then there's going to be a few that are really, really dark. And I'll try to put disclaimers on all of the ones that are really, really dark, because I don't want to trigger anybody. And I have been through some shit. I'll tell you that right now. So we got all that coming, and then we've really been kicking off with the School of Boredoms over on the other channel. Like, I've been consistent every week, but with Goats going back to work at her old job and everything going on with California House, which again is another story I'll tell, and everything going on with the channel, and I also run an eBay collectibles shop, so there's a lot going on there. And I was gonna do some trading card unboxings of like unboxings and I guess pack opening. I almost said unpackings. Pack openings of trading cards, like wacky packages and trading card games. I may even get some Pokemon cards just for the hell of it. I do right now. I have several boxes of unopened cards because I'm a goofy, nerdy collector. That's what I do. But I've got like Bill and Ted and Alf and wacky. I got like 4 boxes of wacky packages. I got like 3 boxes of Garbage Pail Kids. And I was thinking about doing unboxings. So let me know if that's something you guys might be interested in. It'd kind of be like, well, here's a quick example. Like, the video would be down here, and while everything with the cards is going on up there. So again, let me know if that's something you're interested in, because I kind of already started unboxing some things, and I'm always on the hunt for more. There's some cool stuff coming, but this channel is going to be so eclectic and all over the place that good luck finding my niche. This is the anything channel. I'm going to be building things. I'm going to start sharing more Mr. Bats World artwork along with the videos I already made for Mr. Bats World. And that's also going to be returning and continuing. So lots to do there. That's also going to include what I learned through animation, using photo editing softwares, all the softwares I'm going to have to learn. I'm going to try not to get into the big project I'm working on that I've been working on for several years, actually, because I might launch a not a GoFundMe, but like some kind of like Kickstarter or something to see if I can finance a pilot for a cartoon I'm working on. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And on top of that, there's been like a whole lot going on. I've really been surprised I'm able to keep up with the other channel. So just want to let you guys know, get ready, because right after I film this, I'm gonna film a couple of these more lighthearted stories from my life. I'm not really feeling like getting into the darker stuff, but I've got a folder, like you can see, but I've got a folder on my desktop right here that is just, I think there's like 300 or 400 text documents that are all the stories I want to tell based on things that have happened in my life. And it's, trust me, it's not like, oh, I went to McDonald's one time and got a toy of my Happy Meal. Trust me, it's nothing like that. Like, stick around. And the list videos, the top 13s or You know, the video games that got turned into cartoons, cartoons got turned into video games, dangerous toys, all that. Those are going to be making a return as well, only way less frequently. So how it's going to work here on Bats from the Grave is pretty much whenever I make a video, like I'm just going to grab one at random, I'm going to make it. It could be a story, it could be a Dread and Terror, it could be me building something, it may even be a recipe. I mean, like, it could be art, anything. Just whatever I'm feeling for this channel, because right now I'm really focused on trying to make Macabre Labs, or as you guys probably know it, MG Labs, like a really good channel. Somebody on Reddit actually gave some advice that really kind of made me feel better about how things are working too, and this is good advice for any YouTuber out there. Your success, or your progression is going to greatly depend on what your kind of content you make. So if you make like search-based content, for example, like I make those school boredom videos, okay, well, a video on my pet monster isn't really going to go out of date, as where a video about a Twitch streamer or some TikTok user is going to be quickly put out of date. That's why those guys get so much, or everybody in that niche gets so many subscribers so quickly. But while I won't get subscribers quickly, I'm also less at risk of losing them as fast. This is what I understand, because people come to the channel and they realize, oh, like, this basically member berries the channel. I talk about where things came from, and just kind of, if I can make somebody smile or relive a happy memory from their childhood, I've done my job. So again, sorry I've been kind of rambling on. It's been a long time since I've made one of these, and I will try to stay consistent with the MGL Logs moving forward to keep everybody informed on what's going on, because the two channels really do play off of each other a lot. This channel, Bats from the Grave, and our partner channel, Macabre Labs, they really coincide. Like, there's just, you'll have to see. They're both my channels, I guess. So anyway, I hope to see you in future videos. Sorry for rambling. If you stuck around this long, thanks. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the content. I hope that my stories either bring some insight or a smile into your life, and we'll see you next time. As usual, think for yourselves, be excellent to each other, and of course, keep it creepy. See you next time. Hey, thanks for checking out our video. If you enjoyed this one and would like to see more of our weird, creepy, odd, eccentric, or strange content as soon as it comes out, please feel free to click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. We'll see you later. Keep it creepy.